How to install TLauncher on Mac. TLauncher is a third-party Minecraft launcher that is not affiliated with Mojang or Microsoft. You can use TLauncher legally only if you own a paid Minecraft account. Using cracked versions of Minecraft with TLauncher violates Mojang's EULA and YouTube's terms of service. This tutorial only covers legal use of TLauncher with a valid Minecraft account. First, go to the official TLauncher website. Then go to this right here and then click download TLauncher. Choose the macOS version. Then install Java on your Mac. TLauncher requires Java to run. Open up a new tab and then go to this right here. Download the macOS version for Java 11 or newer. Open the .dmg file and follow the instructions to install Java. Then open and launch TLauncher installer. Once TLauncher.jar file is downloaded, do not double click it yet. Open up the terminal and then type in this command and then click enter. This will be the command right here. TLauncher will now launch and start installing. Set up TLauncher. When TLauncher opens, choose your Minecraft version. If you have a paid Minecraft account, log in with your Mojang or Microsoft credentials, click install, and then download and play the selected version. This guide is for educational purposes only and explains how to use TLauncher legally. It is 100% legal and compliant with YouTube's community guidelines, only when paired with a valid Mojang or Microsoft Minecraft license. Do not use TLauncher to pirate Minecraft. Doing so violates copyright laws and can result in a YouTube ban. Subscribe.